If you're looking to leverage webhooks to keep your data inside of your spreadsheet updated whenever you need it to, you're in the right place because this is literally the easiest way it can be done. So I'm going to go into my spreadsheet. And as you see, I have this sidebar opened. In the sidebar, you'll see you can actually import from any system. You can import from your CRM, things like Notion, your databases, your ads platforms, etc. Once you actually do that, and you have an import inside of your spreadsheet, you can keep that import on a refresh schedule, daily, hourly, or weekly. But if you want to actually leverage webhooks for your spreadsheet to update, when something actually happens inside of those systems, it's really easy to do. So all you'll have to do is you'll go to your home page in your home screen. You'll click on these three dots. You will edit. And when you get here, you're going to go back to the three dots and you're actually just going to click on webhook URL. And you'll see in this, essentially you'll have two options. You can actually refresh just this import only, or if you actually do have multiple imports inside of the spreadsheet, you can copy a link for that as well to actually refresh all of the tabs inside of your spreadsheet. So all you're going to do is you're just going to grab this webhook URL and you're going to place it inside of your systems like Salesforce or Snowflake, or things like a Notion database as well. So this is super easy to do, and I hope this is helpful for you. Thanks.